Hi, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will see how you can import a list of items into the dropdown. For example, if we open this file, then you can see this is a dropdown which has no item in it. If if we go to prepare form, then we can see this is a dropdown having name country. And if we go to options, then you can see there are no items in it. And in order to put a list of item, like if you want to put the all country names into the drop down to select from, then you have to manually type each country name here, and you have to do it this manually. So this is a time taking process. So for in order to solve this problem, we are going to see a tool by using we can import all list of item just by one click only. Okay, now let's suppose you have this country's names. I have already written down in the Excel file. For example, you have all these countries' names which you want to put into the drop down. Let's say there are total 112 country names which you have in your Excel file. So the first step before using the tool is to save this file as text file. Tab just to save as, go to save as, browse, and here you can just use the file format as text tab delimited. Okay, so this is a file format, and just you can name it like data 3, 4, or anything, any name you want to put into this file. Okay, now you have to make sure the file type is text tab delimited. Okay, now just save it. Okay, now close the file. Now you can see here is a data3 text file, and you can see after opening the text file, you have the country names here. Okay, now you have to import this into this drop down. So I'm going to show you the tools now. You have to go to Action Wizard, and if you don't see in the right panel of your Acrobat, then you have to go to Tools, and here you will find the Action Wizard somewhere between, let it down there. Let me see. Yeah, here it is, Action Wizard. And you can just go to Action Wizard from here, or you can also add to the right panel. Just click on it, and you can see a list of actions here, action list. Now, all you have to do is to click transfer. This transfer, and if you click this transfer, then it will ask you to start. And after clicking start, you can see here is a JavaScript window, and here it is show, and here you can see a button, import items to drop down. If you click this, then a pop-up will appear. Just click OK. Now it is showing all the drop down which is available in the PDF file currently. So here is a drop down named country. Now it is asking to append at beginning of list, append at end of list, or overwrite. So let's say you want to append at the end of the list because there are already some countries there, then you can do it also. Yes. Okay, now in my case, I do not have any list already in my drop down, so I'm selecting overwrite and clicking OK. Now it is asking me to put the location of the file. Okay, so here we are. Now we have to select the file having all the country names. So I am selecting this data3 file and see it's saying done. If I click OK and close it down, now here are the all the country names in my drop down. So this is as simple as that. All you have to do is to go to Action Wizard and click this transfer and click Start and just I already showed you in the video. So in order to create this transfer tool, you have to check the description and I'm showing you now how you can create this transfer tool. You have to click Action Wizard and here is a new action. Click new action. Now it will ask you to select the action, go to more tools, and here is a execute JavaScript. Click on it. Now click this plus and arrow sign button and just click uncheck the prompt user. Now here's a specify setting. Click a specify setting. Now you have to put a script here. So you have to write down the code which will do the task, which will do the desired task, like putting the imported list into the drop down and just click save it and you are done. So in order to get the code and put in this JavaScript editor, you need the code, and in order to get the code, please check the description to get this code. Thank you.